In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Google Ads campaign the right way. Complete tutorial for beginners. Start by going to ads.google.com, signing in, and selecting the correct Google Ads account so you don't make changes in the wrong place. Open the Campaigns tab, choose the campaign you want to work on, and click its name to enter the campaign level view. Head into Settings. Here you can safely adjust the campaign name, start and end dates, whether you're using the search or display network, your targeted locations, and languages. These are foundational controls. Be careful with deeper levers, like the campaign type, your primary conversion goal, and any smart bidding strategy, because big shifts here can reset learning and disrupt performance. When changing budget, go to Campaign, then Settings, and Open Budget. Increase or decrease in small increments, ideally 10 to 20% at a time. Avoid big jumps, as they can push the algorithm back into a learning phase and cause unstable results. For location and audience targeting, open Settings and then Locations to add or remove countries, cities, or set a radius around a point. If you want to layer audiences, go to Audiences and add in-market segments, custom audiences, or remarketing lists. If you're new, set audiences to observation first. That lets you collect insights without restricting traffic. Most optimization happens in ad groups. Open ad groups under your campaign to review keywords, ads, and if you're using manual bidding, your bids. In the keywords section, add, pause, or remove terms and choose match types thoughtfully. Exact matches the precise intent. Phrase offers control with some flexibility and broadcasts a wider net, but requires close monitoring. A beginner-friendly approach is to start with exact and phrase to control spend. Next, add negative keywords under keywords, then negative keywords, excluding terms like free, job, course, or definition can cut wasted clicks, improve relevance, and raise ROI. To refine your ads, go to Ads and Assets. Edit an existing ad or click the plus button to create a new one. Use primary keywords in headlines, focus on benefits rather than just features, include a clear call to action, and fill every headline and description slot. Pause underperformers instead of deleting everything to preserve history. Enhance visibility by adding assets. In assets, set up site links, callouts, structured snippets, and call extensions to boost ad prominence, click-through rate, and quality score. For bidding, open campaign settings, then bidding, and choose a strategy aligned with your goal, such as maximize clicks, maximize conversions, target CPA for more advanced control, or manual CPC. Avoid frequent changes while learning. Finally, confirm conversion tracking under Tools, then Conversions. Make sure actions are active, correctly set up, and counted in your campaign. After saving changes, wait 3 to 7 days before judging results. Review CTR, CPC, conversions, and the search terms report, and avoid reacting to just 24 hours of data.